me looking over people. That's me. He's like, I'm people watching. Good boy, all right. You will have that limo. You will. Now, when you're riding around in that limo and you see a pretty girl, what do you say to a pretty girl? Oh, all right. I am off the hook. He will find his own girlfriend. And 3. And 4. Teddy's cheating. And 1 more. 5. Teddy, all the way down. And, all right, good job. Good job. You're always that big. Come on. There you go. Good job, Teddy. Kick it in. Boom. All right. Good job. Go. All right. More peanut powder? There's some peanut powder. There you go. You show off. I can't even do that. Come on, you can do it. You getting tired? I know you should be. You got 2 others over here that are going to give you a break in a minute. Why don't you roller skate on down? Come on. He's warm. All right, how about this way? This is downhill. This is downhill, Teddy. You can go downhill. There you go. It's all downhill. There you go. Oops, you got stuck. There you go. We're running out of. Come on, you can do it. Oh, cheer him on. Yay! Come on, you can do it. I know it's a little warm. It is. It's warm in here, but that's all right. You can make it. I had him in the air conditioning today, so. That's it for you? You're done? You want more peanuts? Here. Have another.